Alright everybody, I hope you're excited because I know I am for the first editions of weapons versus food, and today it will be paintball guns versus Easter eggs.
Okay, over here we have an Azodin Blitz 3, and over here we have just some old Easter eggs. And don't forget the mask because we all know eggs can be very dangerous.
Alright, so this tank is 3,000 PSI, but these eggs are hard boiled, so it'll be a hard contest. So these first two are going to be semi-auto from 10 feet away.
The next two will be semi-automatic point blank.
Go. And this grand finale is fully automatic. Happy Easter, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
And if you want more videos like this, you can like and subscribe.
Till next time.